Prestige Garage Doors has the experience and know-how to meet all your garage door requirements. Whether you're after sectional doors, roller doors, automatic remote control units or more, we have 30 years of combined experience and we're B&D's finest accredited dealer. We offer the best range of doors in all the major brands to suit your style and quality installation backed with a full guarantee. We also have a comprehensive service department for both builders and retail customers. Ask about our monthly specials and cash discounts. Prestige Garage Doors. The best product, the best service, the best value.